remember. You want to rumble, huh? Let's do this. What are you doing? Does that gun have a chainsaw? Ow! Ow!
Nope.
I need something to help me beat Venom. Ooh, that looks cool.
No. That's not for you.
What is something? Venom has a Nerf gun.
What?
I was fighting with Venom, and then somehow he got a Nerf gun.
Oh no, this is bad. Villains with Nerf guns is a bad sign.
I wonder how Venom got the Nerf gun.
I think I have something for you.
What? This little thing?
Yup.
But Venom's gun has a chainsaw. You want me to fight a chainsaw with this?
Just watch.
Whoa. I'll take that one.
Good luck beating Venom.
Sweet. Don't blow yourself up. Hey, Venom. I'm ready for round 2. Time for the big guy. Huh, nice block. Good thing I have another one. Barely won that one. I'll take this. I'm gonna go tell Iron Man that his gun works great.